Before we get started on this video, remember there are hundreds of archived and new videos under the members section of the John Gilmore page. Please check it out.
We're going to do a little follow-up. We got Timber back. Timber, tell me how you did overnight again.
Very well.
Yeah? No pain?
No pain.
You didn't need a pain medicine?
No pain medicine.
You took the antibiotics?
I did.
Okay, and this drained a little bit. I can see Gumby Jean just took the dressing off. So let me tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and pull this packing out, and then we're going to squirt in some lidocaine to give you a little pain relief, and then we're going to have to repack it for the weekend.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, on 2, 1. Ooh.
Oh, she learned from the
That was
best.
like 10.
She totally cheated you on your
You okay?
3.
Yeah, I did feel a little burn.
A little sting there.
Yeah,
I'm going to try to get a look down into the wound now.
Ew, it looks like an eye.
Well,
Eye socket.
yeah,
An eye socket.
it's looking pretty good. All right, now let's get that numbing medicine in there. Just a little squirt. This is such an easy step, and I hope that there are a lot of providers out there that are watching this because, you know, when I was trained in medical school, we didn't do this.
The
We
lidocaine?
just repacked them. I mean, it was like, okay, take a deep breath and hang on, pal. This is gonna hurt. You know, you want some rawhide to bite down on. Well, that's how we were taught. You know, that's wrong.
Yeah.
You don't have to do that. We can squirt a little medicine in there, and it actually works just fine. Well, let's just put it this way: it helps a lot. You know. All right, so we're going to take a 2-minute break, and then we'll come right back. A couple of minutes, and we're going to get Gumby Jean now to go ahead and let's get this packed. Now, Timber, if it hurts, just tell us. We'll slow down. She's going to take her time, and she's just going to kind of slowly put the ribbon back in. And this is iodoform gauze, which is basically gauze that's impregnated with an iodine-based
Impregnated?
Impregnated, that's what you say, yeah. It has stuck to it and in between the fibers an iodine product, which is an antiseptic and a natural kind of antibiotic.
You don't feel any pain, do you?
Did it hurt, bud?
No, I'm good.
She's going to keep poking and she's going to make it kind of tight in there. We want this to stay open all the way to the bottom so the healing can occur from the inside out. We do want you to keep taking those antibiotics over the weekend, though, right?
Okay.
Okay. And I'm glad you didn't have enough pain to need a pain pill yesterday. That's good. Go, Gumby, go.
It feels weird.
It's okay. You have to tuck it up in there, okay? Because there's kind of a pouch that this thing formed. Yep, that's the direction. There you go. Do you feel a little of that?
I did.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. She's a mean one, I tell you.
I was wondering how all of this stuff fit in this tiny hole that I thought was tiny,
It's not tiny.
but it's actually deep.
Yeah, you said an inch and a half or so.
Oh, absolutely. And if you need my help, you just say, I need your help.
Okay.
And I will be happy to change positions with you here and give you the camera.
Think I got it.
You're doing great. You feeling any pain, buddy?
No, I'm good.
Good. That lidocaine works fast. I want you to get every bit of that in there. I know you can do it. I have faith in you, Gumby Jean. Look at that little bit more. She's almost got it done there, Mr. Timber.
Okay.
Push that in there. There you go. All right. All
Look
right.
at that.
Get one little. All right, just leave that in there all weekend now.
Okay.
It looks like lips.
It does.
It looks like a
Like
set
they're
of,
ready to kiss.
yeah, like lips like that are kind of ready to give you a little smooch. Okay. Well, anyway, good job. Thanks for letting us video your follow up, and we'll see you on Monday. Okay.
Okay, you're welcome.
I'm on the camera. We're back with our pal Timber. Timber, how's it going, buddy?
Oh, good.
Okay, so you had this packing in over the weekend. Looks like you did a good job of not pulling it out. Thank you very much. Do you have any problems?
No.
Fevers, chills, pain, nothing?
No. I haven't even eaten any pain medication.
Well, that's fantastic. All right, Gumby Jean's going to just remove the packing now. So we have the iodoform pack in there, so she's going to pull it out on the count of 3. One, 2, 3. Good. Okay, so that looks pretty clear. We have one little spot in there. Gumby, bring that forceps back over here and see if that'll just come right out carefully. See that little in there? See, that'll just come right out. Yeah, so that's not really in there. Okay, so you're healing, and the good thing is this is doing a great job of staying open, so we don't have to pack this anymore.
Okay.
What do you think about that? Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, so this is going to take time. It's going to heal from the inside out, and all you're going to have to do going forward is just finish your antibiotics and keep a dry dressing on this.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if at any point you feel like you're having any trouble with it, if the wound feels like it's getting infected, or the drainage from it's turned dark, or you get a foul smell or something, just let us know or come back in. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, that's it.
Well, you've been a great patient.
Thank you.
Thanks for letting us record the whole saga, the whole thing. All right, bud, we're here for you if you need us.
All right, thank you.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
Okay, tell us about Meta 7.
I love it, and my hair is not falling off at all now, just a little few hairs here and there.
So you had a big hair loss problem.
Yes, I did.
And now
It's perfect. It's been great.
it's like normal hair.
Mm-hmm. Even better.
Awesome. And you like the way you feel on it?
Yes, I do.
I have to catch hairs.
All right. Okay, good. Well, thanks.
Thank you.
Large pizza deal. It's never been easier to bring everyone to the table.
See the
Get
kid.
an oven hot large pizza with 2 of your favorite toppings for just $7.99. It's the best pizza delivery deal out there because no one out pizza.
Ow, ow. Ow. Where's the kitty? Look at the kitty. Look at the kitty. Ow. 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 So check this out, right there. Wheeze. So I tell you about these? These come right out of your shoe. They're inserts. They measure you measure your foot with an application on your cell phone, and they take those measurements using lasers and other computers. They sculpt this exactly to match your foot. Check this out. It's perfect for my foot. See that?
Perfectly.
We'll get you some, Gummy Jean.
I'm ready to try them out.
We'll put a link on this video so you
Okay.
can get one.
I'm ready.
Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.